YouTube, this is my new Micargi bike, 80cc, two-cycle build, Slugo SS. It's got disc brakes front and rear, and then look at the monster brake in the back. I got the caliper to work because I bought the monster kit that works with the sprocket. And I think it looks really good. It looks like an old Harley or something. Headlight, speedometer, everything works. Ain't got it quite fired up yet because they sent me the chain. It's too short. Alright, I'll make another video when it's done and I get it running. Thank you.